Welcome to 519 Diecast. We're going to open up a G case from 2021. Take a look, see what we got here. Of course, I don't edit anything, so what you see in my videos is what really is happening. I don't practice. It is what it is. Let's see what this thing's all about. Okay. Start over here. We have 32 Ford, which was in my last case I opened. Nothing too new about that one. And, oh, there's a treasure hunt right off the bat. I'll be. Alright, that looks pretty good. There's a little emblem there. Yeah, not bad. Second car out of the case, treasure hunt. Looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see that. I don't think you can see that little flame there, but yep, awesome. What else we got here? We got a Lamborghini. And of course there will be some cars in here. I will not be saying what they are because I probably can't pronounce them, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. This one here, we got Buns of Steel, which has been out for a while. This casting, not a big fan of it, but it is what it is. This one here is Toyota. It's been out for a while. It is a nice car, for sure. Not bad at all. Oh, we got Custom Small Block, which is that Lego one, which has been out for a bit. Well, I guess it was in the last case. Again, not really my thing. Oh, this is different. Nissan. This is a pretty unique little car. This one got the headlights and everything in her. Tail lights. Wow. It's actually pretty cool. Not a bad car at all. Nice. Oh, what's this? Retroactive. Yeah, it's different. Yeah. Oh, we got another Lamborghini. This is a very nice looking car, for sure. Very nice. And we have 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500. Now, this, in this case, this would be the Super Treasure Hunt if it was that Spectra paint, or whatever they want to call it. But this is not. This is just a plain Mustang. No Super. Oh well. This is pretty nice. Acura. Pretty sharp. Pretty sharp. Not a bad looking car at all. Nice. Oh, well, look at there. We got an ID card. Well, B. That's pretty good. I don't know what car this is, but it is kind of neat. It's definitely different. Wow, cool. And, yeah, this is different again. A Robo Race, Robo Car. I guess. It's different. Oh, we got the Porsche. I think this was in the last case. I believe it was. Could be wrong. And the Vancinator. Okay. It's chrome. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but it's chrome. Oh, not bad. This is new. Rally Baja Crawler. Not a bad looking truck. Not bad at all, actually. This is Fast and Furious Spy Racer. That's pretty cool. Here we got a Jaguar. Again. I believe this was out in the other case, or another case there earlier. Different color, but it's alright. This was in the last case, the Mazda. In the last case it was, this would have been the Super, the F case. And we have the Tankinator. It's different. Here, retroactive again. That's number 2. And Toyota Off-Road. Not bad. Holly carburetors, I guess. Holly equipment. Not too bad. And we got another 32 Ford, which was in the last case. Still alright. Oh, we got a Volvo in yellow this time. It's alright. The last ones were in red, I believe. It's not bad. And Ford Transit, which was in the last case, I believe. Pretty sure it was. Another Tankinator. Eruption. I don't know what this is supposed to be, eruption, but maybe that's a jet motor or something in the back, I don't know. It's got space on there, so maybe it goes to space. Whatever. And Sidekick. It's, again, I don't understand a lot of these things. I'm more of an old school car guy. These are definitely different. And Minecart. Alrighty. Well, I have no... Oh, it's Minecraft up there. I have no idea what this is about. But it is a box with wheels, I guess. And Jaguar again, which we already seen one of those. And a little camper thing. Are we there yet? RV there yet? I guess it's different. And the Corvette, which was in the last case, the F case. Here we got it again in the G. And the Porsche, we had this in the last case too, in green. La Troca. That's a pretty cool truck. It's an old Chevy. That's kind of neat. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Huh. Alright. Something a little different. And we have Buns of Steel again. Which, yeah. And then we have the Mazda again. Just a regular Mazda. And we have a Porsche again. It's not bad in that color, I guess. It's different. Is what it is. Okay, let's see what the next level is going to give us here. Oh. We got Comic Coupe. I think that was in the last case too. Yeah. Oh, Toyota. Not bad. Got some pretty wild paint on her. for sure. Kind of cool. Yeah, not too bad at all, actually. Not a bad looking car. Oh, here we got Pictionary Pro Stock 2010 Camaro. Pictionary. I've got a few different ones of these. Some are moon eyes and stuff. Yeah, this is definitely new to this case. Awesome, I like that. There you go, what's this one? Oh, there's that Nissan again. That's pretty sharp. Not a bad looking machine at all. Pretty good. Lots of detail. Got the lights and stuff in it. And we got another Jaguar, which we've seen this is the third time in this case. And now we got the Dodge Power Wagon. I believe this was in the last case. Still not bad casting. Not bad at all. And we have the quad rod, which was in the last case. Yeah, not my thing. And Zombot. It's some kind of robot. Rock'em Sock'em robots. Okay, makes sense. That's the blue one. I'm sure I've seen the red one. Of course, I never picked it up because not my thing. Oh, that's nice. 2017 Camaro in orange. Not too bad. Not too bad. Looks pretty good. Not a bad looking machine at all. Nice. And of course we got the Toyota again. Seen a couple of those. It's a nice car though. Oh, we got another Rally Baja Crawler, which is not a bad casting. And here we got, oh, Total Disposal. This is a garbage truck. Alright. Different. And another Porsche. Not bad. I don't really know what to do with all these cars. This one here is a Bentley, which was in the last case, which is really nice. And I don't know what to do with all these cars I get. I don't know if I should put them on that 6-lane drag racing track I have and see which one's the fastest out of the case or not. Trying to think of what to do with all these things. It's a Corvette. We got a Triumph TR6. I think the last time this was in green I seen it. This one's in maroon or red. Steering wheel's on the wrong side for me. Whatever. Oh, we got the 55. Well, this says Big Air Bel Air. But she's a 55. Which was in the last case. And here we got the Power Wagon again. And we got a Corvette 2019, which was in the last case. And we got the Ford Transit, which was in the last case. Oh, we got something different here. Yeah, that is different. I guess. And this is Rigger Motor, which is a casket. Whatever, it was in the last case. Oh, there's different color. That's kind of a bluey purple. Land Rover. He's different. different color. Seen her in green. And we have another Bentley. Seen that one. Oh, we got the airplane, which we had last time. Last case. Another one of these, I think it's like a gator or something. Dino Rider. I don't know. Whatever. Another 55. And we have the Volvo Estate again. And we have a Road Bandit. It's kind of different. It's an art car. Yeah. Whatever. Well, here we got Batman. Arkham Knight. Kind of like a desert sand, I guess. Got a few different ones of this. And we have another Corvette, which was in the last case. And we have a Triumph again, in red. And that regular motor. The Vancinator. The Chrome. Oh, here we go. Tune Twin Mill in maroon. Kind of neat. Different. And the last one is this shiny one again, which was in the last case, which is kind of cool. Kind of cool. Alrighty. Well, thanks for watching. See ya.